Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce with vinegar. First, let's gather our core ingredients. You'll need fresh chili peppers, a good quality vinegar, and some salt. Consider using apple cider vinegar or white vinegar, depending on your desired flavor profile. Don't forget to include other aromatics like garlic, onions, or your favorite spices to enhance the taste. This initial step sets the foundation for a delicious homemade sauce. Now, let's get cooking. Start by roughly chopping your peppers and any other vegetables you're using. This helps them blend smoothly later. Place all your prepared ingredients into a pot, add your chosen vinegar, and bring it to a gentle simmer. Let the mixture cook until the vegetables are completely tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. This process softens everything and melds the flavors beautifully. Once your ingredients are tender and slightly cooled, it's time to blend. Carefully transfer the mixture to a blender and process until it's completely smooth. For a super refined texture, push the blended sauce through a fine mesh sieve, discarding any solids. Finally, taste your hot sauce and adjust the seasoning. You might want to add a little more salt or even a touch of sugar to balance the heat. To finish, ensure your bottles and funnels are sterilized to maintain freshness. Once your hot sauce has cooled completely, carefully pour it into the prepared bottles and seal them tightly. Your delicious homemade hot sauce is now ready to enjoy. Remember to store it in the refrigerator, where it will last for several months. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.